Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2,498th, edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, in these videos, I try to show you, through the use of technical analysis, what should happen the next day. In last night's video, I came out and said two things. Well, three. One, we would be buyers of gold because two, the dollar was going to drop, sending gold up. And three, we would stay away from the indices while they decided what to do. Well, one, gold didn't go up. It went down and stopped us out. Yuck. I am so sorry, kids. Just bad. Good analysis, gone bad. Two, the dollar went up, not down, and that was worse. And three, the indices did make a decision. I'm glad we stayed away on Monday, and I think now they are showing us what's going to happen over the next few days. My apologies about that crappy call in gold, but you know what, traders? It's only Monday. We're getting ready for Tuesday. We will kick this market's ass this week. Don't you worry about it. Do not shy away from the trades. Take the recommendations as they come out, because generally we win. We don't usually lose, but hey, every now and then you have a rough day. Traders, please remember the risk behind this game. You just found out on Monday what risk was like when we got stopped out in gold. So don't forget, put your stops in, put them in first, and head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade. Let's do that. What should happen for trading on 12/06/2022? Traders, the ES Weekly chart, the ES Weekly bar, is testing and possibly now failing at resistance. That very same chart I've been putting up in video after video and in last night's video, showing you the big resistance area. Well, it looks like it's having trouble at that area. And number two, the Dow Jones Transportation Average agrees with the S&P running into trouble up there. Number three on the board is the Russell 2000 is leading the way. It's taking these two with it on the way down right now. We're day traders, as you know. The markets move day by day. We flip day by day. Bullish one day, bearish the next. Whatever the analysis calls for is what I will tell you about. The analysis is telling me the Russell 2000 is absolutely leading the way. And then, of course, we have a 50% discount on our OmniRex throughout the month of December. Traders, I've never offered this before. It is only for the month of December, which means all of next year you will get the recommendations at 50%. That is usually reserved for OmniCamp alumni only. In fact, for the entire time I've had this site running for years and years, unless you came out to OmniCamp and spent a week with me, then when you went home, I would give you the recommendations at 50% discount. You will get them for the entire year of next year if you join throughout the month of December. Make sure you take my recommendations. If you took the one on Monday, you'd hate me, but they're not always going to be like that, I promise. Otherwise, I wouldn't be standing here doing these videos for you and running sites since 1994. And I've got some of you that have been with me since then. So thank you for your participation. I know you know the Omni is fantastic, and it will do some good for us on Tuesday because we are going to sell the rallies in E-mini S&P, Russell, or NASDAQ if we can get a fill. Traders, remember to subscribe to these videos. Make sure you do. Grab the recommendations. You've only got the end of this month, and that's it. I will take that offer off the board. And remember this. Keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay, which I know is not easy, but put your stops in first. And then remember to say this to yourselves over and over again. And by now, you should know what that is. Stops are in. However, emotions are out. Thank you for tuning in. Now let's go look at some charts. Traders, this is a chart you have seen in video after video for week after week, and every time we get near this green resistance line, I start to tell you, hey, we're near the resistance, let's see what's going to happen. Well, each time we got up there, it failed miserably. And you've definitely seen this chart in many videos. Well, we just got here on Friday. Then Monday, Tuesday, or I should say Monday, we've come all the way back down already. Looks like it's starting to fail at that spot. So of course I want to blow this up and just show it to you a little bit more blown up. Right there, you see what it did? It just touched the line and then settled here. But it is a weekly bar, and this bar does not complete until Friday. So of course it could turn around and go higher. But for now, we are starting to fail at resistance like we've done at every occasion up here. What comes out next is the Dow Jones Transportation Average, and look at this nasty failure at the 200 bar moving average. Look at that. Gets up there, tries to get above, has a massive failure, tries to get above a few times, has a massive failure. Look at all the times, all the days it's been above the line, and it just went here on Monday. Not good. We wanted to see it work itself out above that line and continue on, right? But that's not what's happening right now. It is sitting right here, not looking good. Then there is this. This is the picture for you to look at. You've seen this in many videos as well. The first time I showed it to you was pretty surprising. I remember many Omniacs reporting to me or commenting about it. But we rallied up and got 4 bars above that 200 bar moving average, which is this. 4 bars, and it cracks. When it finally gets back to the average, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, and it breaks down again. Now look, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, and it has broken all the way down to here. So it seems to be that once you've had 4 days above the 200, that is it. It breaks. That's where we're at now. That's what I wanted to show you. Omni is pointing lower, and we will be looking to sell the rallies in U.S. indices for trading on Tuesday. Good luck trading out there. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com, and be sure to subscribe to these videos.